freight elevator here at the D wing of the Kuopio University Hospital in Kuopio, Finland. We have filmed the scenic elevators and of course the two non-scenic ones in this part.
Yeah.
They were all probably finished in late 1984 with these classic VR fixtures. They were amazing.
Somebody's using it.
Yeah, the West East 20 workers or what are the 600 grams? It's coming up now.
Yeah, but oh yeah.
Built in 1984, it's Universal 6-year-old. This takes 21. I said it already.
Neljäs kerros.
Still filming.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Ylöspäin.
It's not that embarrassing.
Kahdeksas kerros.
He's big bike. He was playing Dead by some hissirakointi.
Yeah. This one doesn't have a chair. Well, it wasn't also used. I mean, made for like other than freight, but.
Pohjakerros. Ylöspäin.
It was successful.
Kahdeksas kerros.
Thank you very much for watching. You can watch the 400 elevators here, yeah, the two
Yeah.
other ones and the two scenic.
That's it.
Then there's one more, but it's unfortunate.